Hey guys, and Google just dropped the Android 10.0 Q Beta 3 for the Google Pixel phones and also for the non-Pixel devices. So that's an exciting news for you all. And these includes devices from brands like Nokia, we have OnePlus, Xiaomi, Asus, there's OnePlus 6, OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 7, Asus Zenfone 5Z, and yeah, I will leave all the links along with the list of devices in the below description box. So if you own any of these devices, just download and install right now. Alright, so let's take a look at the Android 10.0 Q Beta 3. I'm having this Pixel 3 right now. The first major change includes there's this new notification control settings. You can actually choose two different options, which includes interruptive. These notifications will make sound and show in the notification drawer, status bar and the lock screen itself. There is gentle, these notifications will appear in the shade but do not appear in the lock screen, present a banner or play a sound. So this thing you should note, there is more controls in the notification itself. Also the status bar now shows how much battery is gonna live, so 1 day 14 hours for my Pixel 3 as of now. It's false, I know. Next up, the quick setting tiles now shows the build number, and there's this new quick setting tile which is the dark theme. So you can just drag it from the extra tiles. I already done. You can just enable it and there you have the dark theme for Android 10.0 Q. Looks really nice, but I'm gonna switch to the white mode because it looks better in the video. Alright, so these are some major changes in the notification panel as well as the quick setting tiles. Now let's take a look at the settings, because this one is really interesting. So you're finally getting the full gesture navigation. There's 2-button navigation which I'm using right now, and there's this 3-button navigation which is finally back for the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. I was waiting for this one actually. Now let's take a look at the full gesture navigation. Okay, so this is pretty simple and quick. The animations are also new. Let me show you. Just swipe up a little bit and there you are on the lock screen itself. If you want to open the app drawer like this, if you want to open the recents, just hold it like this and there you have the recents itself. Alright, so if you want to go back, just swipe from the left hand side, or you can swipe from the right hand side just like this, and there you are. So this is the new gesture navigation of Android 10.0 Q. Looks really nice, and yeah, this is what you are getting. This is what we all wanted from Google, and it's finally here. I think it's better than iPhone XS and the XS Max. There's one thing you should note: when you enable the dark theme, it just changes the theme of the system applications. It's not gonna change the theme of the Play Store, but here I'm gonna show you how you can force the dark theme for all the applications. So, and that's another change of the Android 10.0 Q Beta 3. Open the system, there you have the advanced developer options. Just scroll a little down and there you will find the override dark force or force dark, whatever you want to say. Just click on this thing, enable this thing, and there you have the Play Store full dark mode. So this is a force dark theme support you are getting with the Android 10.0 Q Beta 3. There you have the Snapchat dark theme, WhatsApp dark theme. So this is impressive, this is amazing. There's another exciting change in the emergency information. You can actually add more information, like there is your name, your photo, address, blood type, allergies, and these are the information you can just change in case you want these information. Anyone you don't know need this information can find this from your smartphone itself. And at last, this thing is having May 2019 security patches, which is the latest and the greatest right now. But there are some hidden changes that Google hasn't enabled yet, and these includes the live caption which Google showcased in the Google I/O. There's this live caption mode which is gonna just show you the captions while watching videos or while talking to someone else. There is this focus mode which is also coming really soon in the dashboard. So that's also nice for studying and keeping focus on something else apart from your smartphone. And at last, there's this project mainline which can give you the updates via Play Store itself. So you won't need the updates or software updates or security patches via the system. update section, and this thing is actually helpful for all the devices, not only Pixel or the Pixel 3 XL, for all the devices. So that's all guys with the Android 10.0 Q Beta 3. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button, cause that's gonna help me a lot. And peace out.